These are the generations of the heavens and the earth when they were created, in the day that the Creator made the earth into the heavens. And no plant of the field was yet in the earth, and no herb of the field had yet sprung up, for the Creator had not caused it to rain upon the earth, and there was no one to till the ground. But a stream came up through the earth, and watered the whole face of the ground. Then the Creator created man from the dust of the ground, and breathed into his nostrils the breath of life, and the man became a living being. And then the Creator planted a garden in Eden, and then he put the man who he had formed.
Being Icelander, it's comfortable being here. Many pluses about being in Iceland. We have hot swimming pools.
You can see a lot of really cool things, like, you know, inactive volcanoes. It's just like, it's pretty mind-blowing to see that.
You know, nature is of course beautiful, and it's a peaceful society.
A lot of stuff is free, fresh water, clean air, plenty of space.
Water, food, healthcare. Peace and quiet. Life quality is pretty good here.
You know, you say that Iceland only has 300,000 people, and then you go to Reykjavik and it's like, it just seems like any other city, you know? Not like New York where everything is crowded, but I mean, it just feels like another city.
Living here, the peaceful, the people, it's the kindness, and everyone is willing to go out of the way to help you, and just being raised in a place like that is kind of cool.
It's really close, you know, like family's always close, friends are always close, like I'm friends with him, but he's still like my brother, you know? Okay. So it's like, I'm always at his place, and like me and his mom, it's like my second mom.
Like a big one big happy family, you know?
They're very friendly overall. Very friendly and always willing to help.
No, the price is actually the same everywhere. It's just, like I say, it's a few places that they are putting the price up for the tourists.
Tourists know more about Iceland nature than Iceland people sometimes, you know. They've gone to places where I haven't gone before. I haven't seen all of Iceland. Yeah. Maybe some tourists have seen more than me.
Maybe 250,000 tourists coming here each year. So it's been increasing at almost 2 million tourists each year now.
That's good. It's good for you.
Yeah, it's saved the economy.
It's been weird, because when I was younger it wasn't like that. But we're growing into it, so we're getting more used to it, I think.
With the tourism about, preparing people to come here and making sure that the nature is not being totally spoiled.
It's very expensive, and just like in Reykjavik, you can't even get a place to live in anymore.
It's expensive to live here if you run a family with kids and a car and everything else. Just pick that up.
Most apartments just stand empty, and it's owned by the bank. They're not even using it, and they're not trying, or they're talking about trying it, but it never happens.
It's a small country. It's a little bit corruption here.
I'm James Vallis. Sigmundur Gunnlaugsson has resigned as Prime Minister of Iceland in wake of the Panama Papers.
Well, there has been cases where the government just re-election just because there's protests for a few days. Okay. So it does work. We do get more.
This voting here in Iceland is going to be the most important one we've ever had. Compared to the level of other Scandinavian countries, we should be doing better. The hospitals and stuff like this.
Indeed, the Creator offered the trust to the heavens and the earth and the mountains, and they declined to bear it and feared it. But man undertook to bear it. Indeed, he was unjust and ignorant.